local refuse recycling place, you'd put one of these on there, and then you might be able to say build a little fueling station of hydrogen to fuel the local bus transport system. So that's all kinds of wonderful. There are some very interesting applications.
So have you tried it like for especially somewhere like in Africa?
So we're building our first one here. So we're a small company, so our focus needs to be on building the first one.
Yeah.
So that's what we're doing. So we'll have that built this year, and then we're expecting a big deluge of tourism, everyone coming to see it and saying, can we have the second one or fifth one or whatever. So that's where our focus at the moment. But the interest we're getting from around the world is immense. Africa,
that's the main place that has power issues, of course.
Southeast Asia's got a lot as well.
Actually, Africa doesn't use as much plastic as a lot of other regions. So Southeast Asia, they use way more plastic. So one of the things that happened, in Kenya, for example, they're saying they're going to reduce the amount of plastic they use. And they've just built a massive incinerator. But that's not very efficient. That's only kind of 25% of the energy recovered. In the Southeast Asia, where they don't have much money, they're buying things in small containers. So they buy sachets of coffee, sachets of sugar. They don't buy a big thing of it. They can't afford it. And that all gets discarded, and there's no infrastructure to collect the waste. So that's where it's ending up in the road and stuff. So the Indonesian government, for example, are interested in us putting these units by a community. The community then collects the waste, and they're incentivised to do that, so they get paid to do that, and then electricity goes back into the community. So it's and everyone makes money as well. It's not just
And I think another country that you might look at, I think Nigeria as well. Because if you're talking about a country that has a lot of waste, plastic and sachets and everything, and has some power issues again, and also has the resources to help you build this, that's the country. I think Nigeria would be very good.
I mean, as Bruce says, the key thing is right
We've
now,
got to get this first one.
It's the UK.
Yeah, of course,
Globally, I mean, this is
The opportunities are massive.
It's licensable technology, so we have partners. But you're absolutely right. And I mean, it's an issue that needs addressing.
Yeah, definitely.
You know, and this is a real viable way of addressing it. It actually,
it's a win-win, like for everyone. You get rid of plastic.
I know it sounds too good to be true, but actually, I don't think you're wrong.
It's never going to go.
It's very exciting.
Very exciting.
How much debts do you have in your books at the moment? Do you have any debts at the moment?
Debts?
Debts,
No,
yeah.
no.
There's no debts.
Positive,
Okay.
We're just so our funding, the first one has been done by the developer, so we're not going to dilute the shareholders through that. Inevitably, we'll need to raise some funds to help us through the project phase. We're doing engineering at the moment for companies who are interested, that we will be paid for eventually. But because it's our first one, we can't really charge them for it. But this time next year, we'll be charging the companies who want to come and inquire, can you build one here, can you build one there? The engineering we're doing to help them, we will be paid for.
I mean, the interesting thing, any funding that may or may not be needed is going to be used in
For the project.
commercialisation and funding of this.
So we've
past
research and stuff.
So that's all done now. And we're excited.
Very good project, very interesting.
Thank you very much.
I'm glad you like it.
Thanks for your interest.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.